Grammy-nominated reggae singer Protoje is back on the scene and has dropped his first solo release for 2022, titled Hills. The track was released yesterday and has been met with positive comments from music lovers. The hard-hitting anthem was produced by 8-Track and Ivy the Polymath and is the first single off his summer album that will be released via Indignation Collective and RCA Records. According to Protoje, Hills narrates what the last 2 years have been like for him, living in the mountains while the world was on lockdown. Connecting with the simplicity that exists there, he was inspired by what surrounded him. The lustful video was directed by Samo and gives us an inside look into his domain and his journey to wellness. The reggae singer is gearing up to head out on tour in countries such as Africa, North America and Europe later this year. He will also perform in the US on festivals including Bonnaroo and Roots Picnic. The tour kicks off on April 30 and will also see the artist headlining shows in October this year. After an unexpected 2-year hiatus, fans are again excited as it was announced that the Welcome to Jamrock cruise will return this year for its 7th musical excursion across the Caribbean Sea. In a post on social media yesterday, the highly anticipated cruise announced its artist lineup and new dates. Now the 6-day 5-night cruise will run December 7 to 12, sailing on Royal Caribbean's Freedom of the Seas. The cruise will depart Miami, Florida's cruise port and will make stops in Montego Bay and Ocho Rios before making its return to the United States. The cruise will see 2-time Grammy award-winning Burning Spear returning to the event stage for the first time in 6 years. The legendary Shabba Ranks, as well as Damon Junagong Marley and Stephen Ragga Marley, will also return to the stage with their catalogue of hits. Dancehall icons Bounty Killer, T.O.K, Sham and Ding Dong, as well as reggae acts Johnny Osborne, Morgan Heritage and Cockatee are also among the slew of acts who are booked for the festivities. According to the organizers, Welcome to Jamrock Cruise 2022 will be nothing short of extraordinary. And on an extraordinary note, Fame Frequency will make its return tomorrow night for a night of wholesome music and entertainment. The event will present its great collabs and will feature DJs Colin Hines, Narity, and Donovan Dacus, taking patrons on a musical journey with hit collabs that will resonate with partygoers. Fame Frequency kicks off at 9 p.m. and patrons 18 and older are all invited. The party will also be aired live on RETV, TVJ, Fame 95 FM, Hits 92 FM, and will be live streamed via onespotmedia.com. See you tomorrow at Fame Frequency. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for the weekend edition of E! Prime.